Hey everyone, welcome back to Math Adventures. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of percentages. We'll learn what they are, why they're important, and how to use them in everyday life. Percentages. The word itself might sound a bit scary, but trust me, they're not as bad as they seem. In today's video, we'll make learning percentages fun and easy. We can use percentages from calculating discounts to understanding your grades. Percentages are everywhere. So grab a pencil and a paper and let's get started. Let's start with the basics of percentages. Imagine you have a delicious pizza. Yum. The whole pizza represents 100%. Now let's say you want to share it with a friend. If you cut the pizza into 8 slices and give your friend 2 slices, that's 2 out of 8, which is 25% because 2 out of 8 simplifies to 1/4. That's the basic idea behind percentages. It's a way to represent a part of something compared to the whole thing. So, our magic formula for calculating percentages is part over whole equals to percent over 100. Or we can also call it as is over of equals to percent over 100. This is our magic formula. Part is the amount we're trying to find. Whole is the total amount we're dealing with. Percent and percent is the percentage we're looking for. Let's start with some examples to understand this better. First, let's tackle a classic percentage problem. 50% of 20. Now 50% means 50 out of 100, right? Think of it like this. If you have 20 cookies, lucky you, 50% means you're taking half of them. So 50% of 20 is simply 20 divided by 2, which equals 10. Easy peasy. So 50 divided by 100 times 20 is equal to 10. So 50% of 20 is 10. That's the power of percentages. In this case, we want to find the part, which is unknown. And we know the whole is 20 and the percent is 50. Now we can simplify 50 over 100 to 1/2. To find the part, we can cross multiply. Here we got 2x equals 20. Divide both sides by 2 and we got x equals 10. So 50% of 20 is 10. In case we need to do mental math, where we don't need to show our work but to answer the question, let's write 50 over 100 times 20 and convert 50 over 100 to a decimal. So 50 over 100 becomes 0.5. Now all we need to do is multiply 0.5 by 20. And there you have it. 0.5 times 20 is 10. Now let's move on to the next question, which is 15% of 20 is how much? First, we want to find the part, which is unknown. And we know the whole is 20 and the percent is 15. To find the part, we can cross multiply. Here we got 100x equals 20 times 15. Here we got 100x equals 300. So divide both sides by 100 and we get x equals 3. So 15% of 20 is 3. Let's discuss another way to solve this problem. 15% to a decimal. To do this, we divide 15 by 100. So 15% becomes 0.15. Now all we need to do is multiply 0.15 by 20. Here's the calculation. 0.15 times 20 is 3. And there you have it. 15% of 20 is 3. One more example to solve. Let's try this one. What is 40% of 250? We want to find the part, which is unknown. And we know the whole is 250 and the percent is 40. Now we can simplify 40 over 100 to 2 over 5. To find the part, which is x, we can cross multiply. Here we got 5x equals 250 times 2. Here we got 5x equals 500. Divide both sides by 5 and we got x equals to 100. So 40% of 250 is 100. We want to find 40% of 250, so 40% to a decimal. To do this, we divide 40 by 100. So 40% becomes 0.4. Now the magic happens. We simply multiply 0.4 by 250. And there you have it. 40% of 250 is 100. So if you had 250 ice pops, yum, 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 and wanted to share 40% with a friend, you would give them 100 ice pops. Now let's begin to discuss some word problems. Let's start with the first example. A shirt is originally priced at $20. It is now on sale for 25% off. How much is the discount? Now let's figure out how much we'll save on this shirt. It's originally $20, but it's on sale for 25% off. We can use the part over whole method to find the discount. Remember, in this method, part is the amount we want to find, the discount, whole is the original price of the shirt, $20, and percent is the discount percentage, 25%. So the equation is discount divided by $20 equals 25 divided by 100. Now let's simplify 25 over 100 to 1/4. To find the discount, we cross multiply. Discount, which is x times 4 equals 20. Now we divide both sides of the equation by 4. Discount equals 5, so the discount on the shirt is $5. Awesome! The sale price equals the original price minus the discount amount. So the sale price is 20 minus 5 is 15. Now let's solve it another way. We've got a shirt that originally cost $20, but it's on sale for 25% off, right? So how much money will we save? First, let's figure out what 25% of 20 is. Remember, 25% means 25 out of 100. To find 25% of 20, we can convert 25% into a decimal. 25 is the same as 0.25. Now we have to multiply the original price, 20, by the decimal, 0.25. So the discount on the shirt is $5. That's a great deal. Now let's calculate the sale price. How to calculate the sale price is you just need to do the original price minus the discount amount. That's it. If you do the original price minus the discount amount, you get your sale price. So in this case, we'll have to do 20 minus 5 equals 15. Now we have one last problem to solve. Max answered 18 out of 20 questions correctly on a test. What percent of questions did Max answer correctly? To find the percentage, we need to figure out how many correct answers Max got for every 100 questions. First, we divide the number of correct answers, 18, by the total amount of questions, 20. Here's the calculation. 18 divided by 20 equals 0.9. Now we have a decimal. To convert this to a percentage, we simply multiply by 100. We need to show the calculation. 0.9 times 100 is 90. Wow, Max got 90% of the questions correct. That's an amazing score. That's it for today. I hope you learned how to calculate percentages in a simple and easy way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more. Bye!